Do you want to easily sell your digital products online? Digital products are basically products that users can download to their computers after making a purchase. Products like ebooks, digital art, images, illustrations, printables, software, or music are a few examples of the most common digital products online. WordPress, in contrast, is used by over 43% of all websites on the internet. It gives you full control over your website and you can sell as many products as you want without paying a transaction fee. In this video, I will use the WooCommerce free plugin in combination with the Blocksy theme, which I find to be the best solution to sell digital products. To start selling digital products with WordPress, you need a domain name, a web hosting, and the SSL certificate. You can use this absolutely free business name generator tool to find your perfect domain name. It utilizes AI algorithms to find memorable, SEO-friendly domains for business, events, or creative projects. To start using, you simply enter here a standout name to describe your business. Then you choose the extension you want, and the type can go with generate names of mixed types, to generate brandable names, to generate descriptive names, or to generate postman-to names. It takes approximately a few seconds and you get these ideas you can implement as your domain name. And once you have made your choice, I advise you to register the domain name quickly before it's taken. A domain name is your website's address on the internet, and this is the address your visitors will type into their browsers to reach your website. You visit the domain name registrar, such as Namecheap, and then you will pay a fee. For web hosting, I use SiteGround. It comes with a free SSL certificate, all optimization features, and you will get web hosting, WordPress hosting, and WooCommerce hosting. At the moment, you will pay $3 a month for managed WordPress hosting, and you can compare their pricing plans, but you can create and run your website for less than $5 per month with a pre-installed SSL certificate, managed updates, daily backups, and more. By default, WordPress does not include any e-commerce functionality out of the box, and that's why you will need a plugin and a WordPress theme in order to sell your digital products. What is a WordPress theme? Is the way you present your product downloads to your visitors that looks great and is fully customizable. In fact, there are a vast number of themes available on WordPress. However, they are not all equal. You will probably should look for something that offers design options, optimized for search engines, comparable with your favorite download plugin, and the schema integration beyond the support. To install a theme from your WordPress dashboard, you simply open the Appearance tab to access the WordPress repository. You click on the Add New button, and as you can see, there are over 600,000 WordPress themes. You then run a keyword research for Blocksy. It's this one. It works on all browsers. It's a Gutenberg-friendly WordPress theme, perfect for building fully customized WooCommerce stores. It's built with clean code. Just click to install, and once it's done, you click one more to activate the theme. Afterwards, I suggest you delete all the previous themes that comes with a fresh WordPress installation. We are viewing a list of the installed themes displayed with the active one. However, you can delete them by clicking on the theme you want to delete to view its details, and in the lower you will find a delete link to delete it and to avoid conflicts. You will click on this button to install the Blocksy Companion plugin. And by installing this free Blocksy Companion plugin, you will notice you will gain a starter sites library, more header, builder features, an extensions ecosystem to get more functionalities to your site. A plugin is like apps for your phone. Think them as having different features and functionality to your website. To install the WooCommerce plugin, you will navigate to the Plugins tab and click on Add New button. You search here for WooCommerce or Who, since they recently changed its name. It's this one with more than 5 million active installations, and all you have to do now to install and activate is to click on this button link to install, and once it has finished you will click again to activate the plugin, and I will show you now how to set up properly WooCommerce on your website. Upon installation, you will run the WooCommerce setup wizard helping you with the setup process. Just follow the easy steps, fill all your shopping location so that you get your store up and running. Put your information and payment gateways. You select here an industry. You select from this list electronic computers. You select where your store is based, your email address, press continue, and you can skip this step by clicking up here to complete the basic setup. You will add your products. If you need help, you get this notice. You click here to get more options. You will select this option, digital product, like a service or downloadable files. And now comes the more exciting part, to have your products. It will take you approximately 2 minutes. You type in the product title, like this one. You add the product description, and please note the description, this field will be displayed to your visitors. So make sure you write down a very appealing and captivating text. For this demo, I pop in some dummy text and a few lists to highlight its benefits. And you can change by using the WordPress tool. For instance, if you want to change to an H1, you just need to select it and then open this up to change all of this. So your text is fully customizable. You can add a block code, you can add and insert a link by choosing this option. And if you open this up, the toolbar toggle, you can select and change the text color. So select first the text you want to change and then open this up, and let's change to this color. If you're going to sell your products, then you will want to set a price. Just type in the amount that visitors will need to pay in order to download this ebook. And the next step is to set the product data as a digital product, and this is key to define extra shopping settings. So in the product data section, just select this downloadable option, and this will remove the options for shipping which you don't need and add options for downloadable digital files. We will stick with a simple product. You then will add the downloadable files. You add the file and this will be displayed to your customer. Just click on this Add File button. Now copy and paste the product title. Paste it here, Ctrl V or Command V if you are on a Mac, and then you will choose the file from your computer's files. As for me, I just drag and drop here, and it immediately is uploaded to your WordPress media file. Click Insert File URL. You can control the download limit in this option. You can go with the download limit. You just need to specify a number, 1 or 5, or otherwise just leave it blank for unlimited downloads. And for the download expiring option, you just need to enter a number of days so that the download file is expired. Otherwise, just like the previous one, just leave it blank or enter as 0. Make use of product categories and tags to help your shoppers find the products they are looking for. To create categories and tags in this download product, just move over to the right sidebar and enter your category. Just click, I will insert ebook, and then all you have to do now is to press the enter key from your keyboard to be immediately be displayed. And to add a product tag is similar. You just need to press this box, enter, for example, your ebook topic, the enter from your keyboard, and you will see it. You will also enter your product short description. I will copy this, and as I said before, you can customize it. Just select the text, transform it into another type of HTML tag. I go with the paragraph, and the final step is to add the product image. You click, I just drag from my computer files, set product images. You can also insert the product gallery if you want. For this example, I don't need it. And then all you have to do now is to update. Your first product is live. It's very nice and beautiful. And if I click the Add to Cart button, this is how it looks. The visitor now can go to view the cart, he can remove item, and he can also proceed to the checkout. Moving on with the WooCommerce setup, you choose the theme, and now comes the payment gateways part. I will use Stripe and PayPal payments, so click on the Stripe option to configure the Stripe account. So to configure the Stripe account, you need to sign in to your Stripe account, or you can use a single sign-on SSO instead. We need to insert here the API keys, and these are available at your Stripe dashboard. And then all you have to do is to simply copy and paste and then click to continue. Okay, once the wizard has finished, we now go to the WooCommerce and then settings to finishing this up. So I fill in my address, city, country, and the post code or the zip area. The general options, you are selling to specify here if you want to sell to all countries or to sell to only specific countries. You will want to sell to all countries. The shipping, it's not applicable here. The default customer location, I will use the geolocate option. And for the currency, at the moment I am using the United States dollar, but you can go and change to whatever other currency you want to use. Then you save the changes, and moving on, we go to the products. And as you can see, once you install the WooCommerce plugin, we get these custom pages. Let me show you. So these are all the pages that WooCommerce builds for us. The cart, the checkout, the My Account, the privacy policy, the refund and returns policy, and the shop page. We have the shop page. We can define it and change it here. I want to activate this redirection to the cart page after a successful addition. Yes, it's a good choice. And then I also enable the product reviews and the enable star ratings. Moving on, we go to the downloadable products, where we can specify if we want to force the download. This is not a very secure way to do things. However, you define here and you control here the access, how WooCommerce would handle all the restrictions you have done previously. You can grant access to downloadable products after payment. Just check this option, and you have control over, do you want to allow to open the downloaded file in the browser, and if you want to append a unique string to the file name for security reasons. And I recommend you turn this on. WordPress offers the ability to create a custom URL structure for your archives, products, pages, and post pages. It affects the entire WordPress website, and that's why they are called Permalinks. And to set this up, you simply navigate to your WordPress dashboard settings and then Permalinks. In this panel, WordPress is displaying me all the 6 URL types. The plain option is the ugly permalink setting. And if you go with the day and name, you will be displaying your products by using the day and the name format. And I can assure you that's something you don't want surely to do. The numeric option uses the ID of the post or the product. This post name option utilizes the name of your post or product, the post. If I were you, I would use this post name, since for WordPress, a WooCommerce product is simply a post. And the last option, the custom one, allows you to define your own custom URL structure using a combination of tags available in WordPress. I highly recommend you go with the post name option. It's easy to remember, and SEO loves this as well. And to clear things up, if for example I open my product in my browser window, here it goes, my permalink structure, my website name, the product, and the product name. I'm pausing the video now to come back with all my products at my shop, and then we will proceed with Blocksy theme customizations. So far, this is how it looks. When your visitor clicks on any ebook, it will take you to the product page layout. He can buy any product. He is able to check the Add to Cart page and the Checkout page to complete the purchase. Not bad, but it misses some spark and creativity. Blocksy theme is a fantastic WordPress Gutenberg theme, and will be converting this default WooCommerce product pages into outstanding e-commerce shops. And the way to go is by using the Blocksy Premium plugin in order to get more superpowers functionalities. So I went ahead and I already installed on this website. The Blocksy dashboard has this user-friendly interface. In this panel we'll find shortcuts to all the customizer areas in which you make all necessary adjustments and improvements. It's broken down 5 sections, tabs: the home, the starter, templates area, which I will talk more in a few seconds, the extensions, the useful plugins, and the changelog areas. The starter templates allows you to easily access to Blocksy starter templates installer, where you can easily import an entire website helping you to get started. And that's pretty cool. And within the extensions, you access the Blocksy extensions gallery, which is pretty useful to add more functional elements to your sites. And we will be using all of these WooCommerce extensions, so I will be activating this extensive list of Blocksy theme. For example, we'll be using a custom thank you page, custom tabs, variation storage, but we don't have it, right? The wish list functionality, the floating cart, and the quick view. The useful plugins area provides a list for recommended plugins to use in combination with Blocksy. And finally, the changelog is the area where you can check all the notable changes made to Blocksy. If you don't have Blocksy Pro and want to buy it, you may use my affiliate link down below. Blocksy theme is an amazing theme, and I do recommend that you use it. I've done many other Blocksy videos on the channel. You can check my playlist, which I leave you a link for you to check them out. Before starting the customization work, we need to have a navigation menu so the users easily find what they are looking for. In fact, an online store navigation menu is crucial these days, as it allows them to get around the website Otherwise, they will leave the website immediately. It needs to be easy, functional, and clear. I will be showing as well how to display WooCommerce categories in your menu, since WordPress was designed to be a blogging platform. And with this, your e-commerce navigation menu can become unique and clear. So, for the menu setup, you just navigate to Appearance, Menus. To create a new menu, simply click on Menu Name and give it a meaningful name. Click to create, and now just drag these menu item links into your right so they become an active part of the new menu. Cool. And to enable WooCommerce categories, simply expand the screen options. At the top of the screen, just enable product categories and product tags as submenu items. Now just expand the categories, select all, add to menu, and I drag it to my shop page. The Blocksy Advanced Menu Pro extension is one of my favorite extensions. It allows me to create a more interactive menu and to add menu icons. So the first step is to activate the extension, the Pro extension, from Blocksy dashboard. Thereafter, move over to the WordPress menu, and I just want to show you how easy it is to insert menu icons to the navigation bar. I open the shop page as my top level. Click now on menu item settings. So select the option. I will go with this one. You choose the icon position, left or right. I go with the left one. And the icon size, it's 20 pixels. And that's pretty cool how it is now. So what I'm gonna do now is to customize the product pages with Blocksy. And what is really good about this theme is the Blocksy theme full support to WooCommerce. And the customizer is the exact location to make all these changes through a point and click interface. And here are some of the settings I like to use. Under the General tab, I like to activate the scroll to top functionality, buttons. I like over effects. My colors have already been defined here in the design tab. Breadcrumbs is very important as well. I like to use this type number 2. I activate this option to display on the shop page. For the header, I want to add a wish list page, so drag it to this main row so that my user can click through and make their own choices. I like to insert a dark mode switcher into the header that allows users changing between light and dark theme. From the header section, locate the color switch, is this one. Just drag and drop to wherever location you want. I want to insert on the main row, and here it goes how it looks at the front end. Let's customize the WooCommerce product archives. So WooCommerce product archives, we have 3 types. Type number 3, magical. Now click on the card options, product image. I want to activate over effect to zoom in. Close this up, open the categories. You can choose between 3 styles. This is my category. You can go with a button like this, which I find it beautiful, or an underlined style. Next up, I want to personalize the checkout. Publish this under General Checkout. There we go. I want to disable the header and the footer. So the easiest way to do this is by opening WordPress Gutenberg editor. Open Pages, check out, locate Blocksy page settings, scroll down under the page elements, just toggle on these two options to disable the header and the footer. Perfect. Next, we need to make sure that the emails are sent through your WordPress site. For this, we will be using a free plugin, WP Mail SMTP, and this is an absolutely free to use plugin. So go ahead and just install plugins, add a new plugin, and run a quick search for this one. Go ahead, just click to install, and once you are done, just click one more time to activate. Upon activation, you will be prompted to run the setup wizard. I will skip this part as I will be showing you how to set up this plugin manually. Go ahead and input your SMTP settings. Do you have a license? No. And this question has to do mainly with your web hosting provider, so I'm unable to help you in this part. However, I can give you some instructions as follows. This from email field is the address your recipients will see as the sender. As a general rule, you can use your professional email address. The return path option, toggle on to get notifications of successful delivery or bounce messages. And next, let's go ahead to configure now emails using Gmail as MTP server. And to do that, scroll down and select Google Gmail. And once you click, a new section will show up containing two essential fields, the client ID and the client secret. And this has to do with your Google API credentials. And to obtain this data, go ahead and open a new tab and open Google Cloud Console. Make sure you are logged in, create a new project from the top projects drop-down list. Click to create API services. You can run here a quick search for Gmail API. You need to answer some questions before, follow these instructions, and then all you have to do is to paste your API keys into your WordPress dashboard. And if I were you, I would click on the video you are viewing on the screen right now to know about the 3 most readable web patterns on the internet. And by watching, you can transform or redesign your website layout accordingly depending on your own website content. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Natalie. I will catch you in the next one.